Geht zwar unter, das macht aber auch nichts. Ist nicht mehr ganz so warm hier auf der Bühne. Ein bisschen Country. Ein Stück von Alan Jackson. Summertime Blues. Well, I'm gonna rise the bars and I'm gonna rise the ball. Working all summer to try and eat a daughter. Well, I went to the boss, said the girl with the date. The boss said, but that's soon, you gotta work late.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Well, my mama, papa told me in the garden of some money. If you're on a race car to ride it next Sunday. Well, I didn't go to work, but I was sick. He said it because you could car, because you didn't work a lick.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Have my vacation. Gonna take my problems to the United Nations. While I went to the congressman, he said a quote: I didn't like a hell of a suit, but you didn't like a vote.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
And I'm gonna rise the ball. I'm working all summer to try and eat a dollar.
Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Sometimes I wonder what I'm gonna do, 'cause there ain't no cure for the summertime blues.
Summertime Blues. Dankeschön.